What's up, everyone? This is TechBooterFX, and today I'll be looking at USD, JPY, and on the daily time frame. As we can see, the markets have been in uptrend for a very long time. It has been in an uptrend for a very long time. So I just did small work by adding some levels to it for us to know the different zones where we can buy or sell, or the resistance or the support zones, because those are the major things that the market respects all the time. Okay, so I'm having a different view. As you can see, I have a trend line from the daily standpoint, trend line going up, and let's see if I can connect some points also on I'll try to make it a channel, but I'm not sure it's gonna give us clearly what we wanted, what we want. But nevertheless, we'll try our best. Okay, so this is what we have, and we have a confluence here. Okay, so you see the trend line have been broken. That is the lower trend line. Let me change the color of it. The lower trend line has been broken. Okay, it has been broken, and we are now expecting a retest on that trend line. And we can see from that, we can see from the daily time frame, the market is in a very strong resistance zone. It has come to that place a couple of times and retested, and it has been rejected. And if you check here, where the market is also a very strong zone. If you check the one up, this zone here, you can see this down here. Then we can see this all are price rejections, but what we wanted to see is the price going back up to retest on the trend line we've drawn from the daily standpoint. Okay, so that is what we've been expecting, but the market keeps on being rejected there. So I had to go down to 4 hours time frame. I think this was actually requested by one of my students in one of my classes, so I had to look at it and give them a verdict about it. If we go to the 4 hours time frame, we can see a triple top, which indicates a downtrend. A triple top which indicates a downtrend. But the downtrend isn't confirmed because we can see an ascending triangle here. Okay, we can see an ascending triangle. You see an ascending triangle here. So the downtrend is not yet confirmed. It's just like you having you're stuck in a place. Either you go down or you break this zone to come back to this place to retest. But we know that if the market breaks this high and comes to retest on that trend line, we are definitely gonna get this. All right, we are definitely gonna get this. And coming, sorry, don't mind this rubbish drawing that I'm drawing here. So we are definitely gonna get this. And as you can see, remember this place is a very strong zone. This zone here, this zone that we have here is very strong, because that's where we got some couple of rejections too. So that is what we are expecting that the market should do. And I can even see a trend line. Let me zoom out a bit and see if the trend line is valid. Okay, so we can see, let's see let's say this. Let's see what it's gonna give us. It's not a good trend line. It's not good enough. It's not good enough. It's okay. It's okay, because it's gonna give us another confluence. That means if the market is moving and coming to this zone, so that is what we actually see. But that's from the 4 hours time frame. So we would have to probably go down to the lower time frame. Probably let's go to 2 hours time frame. You see, it's getting clearer in the 2 hours time frame, and the 2 hours time frame is still giving us that triple top. So we are expecting now that this lower trend line, let me even put the trend line here, the lower trend line should be broken. So if the lower trend line is broken, then we should be expecting that the price rally to this place to give us a double bottom. Then we go back up to this zone. Sorry, rally to this point to give us a double bottom. You get? Or even this green trend line, the green trend line we drew from the daily time frame. Okay, so that is what we are expecting. Okay, so with that being said, let's check in the 1 hour time frame, see what is happening in the 1 hour. Imagine what is happening in the 1 hour time frame. The only thing that is going to make this market to actually pull down is due to the fact of the treasury, the dollar treasury or the US treasury. And if it's being pumped, if the US treasury is being pumped, then that means the dollar would have more strength. Okay, but if it is not, the otherwise becomes the case. Okay, so basically this is what we are having, and if we use the fib to look at what is really happening in this market, let's see what is really happening. Since it's an uptrend, we're supposed to be having this. Okay, this is what we'll be having. Okay, you see a lot of points of rejections, and so if the trend line is broken, so we are expecting that the market comes to the market is really respecting the fib. If you look at it, it's respecting the fib. All right, so we are expecting that it continues rallying up because all the points on our fib have been respected. So we are expecting that the market keeps on pushing up. That means if we want to take a buy entry, that's from the 1 hour time frame. You see where we can take a buy entry. It will break it actually eventually. It will break it eventually, but this is an area where I can expect a buy entry, buying it up to this level, buying it up to this level, to this level. So that's about how many pips. So you can just do the calculation and you'll be fine. So that is that for USD That's what I can say about USD So all these levels have been respected, and when we have it an ascending triangle, it keeps on. It will break above this high and continue upwards. All right, so that is what we are expecting. We're expecting it to break above the high and continue upwards. But if that doesn't happen, we're expecting it to come down to this zone. So that is the two ways we are seeing the market. So you just hold on and wait and watch how the market plays out. All right, thank you so much, and don't forget to share our videos with your friends and join our communities. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on the comment section and the like section, please. Thank you so much. Tech Booster signing out.